Hello, I'm Jared. I'm going to be your PT today. First off, can you tell me your name and date of birth?
My name is Michelle, and my date of birth is October 5th, 1993.
Great. Just reading your file, I see that you're having some shortness of breath and feelings of junkiness. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, I've just been feeling like there's just kind of pressure and just kind of gross up in my chest.
Okay. And how do you feel right now? Are you having any chest pain, that shortness of breath, or still that junky feeling in there?
I'm okay right now. It's just other times throughout the day I felt it.
And are there any activities such as long walks or going up the stairs or anything you notice that really kind of spiked those symptoms?
Especially when I'm going up and down my stairs.
On stairs. And how's your home environment? Are there stairs coming or leading up to the apartment, or?
I live in an apartment, and there are about like 15 stairs leading up to it.
15 stairs. And if need be, is there anyone that can help you with the stairs or any other chores?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Good for you. And what are your goals for physical therapy?
My goals are really just to kind of get rid of this feeling and kind of build up my stamina and my breath so I don't have that shortness of breath anymore.
Awesome. I think we can help you out there. Everything sounds great. The goal of the session is to just check out a lot of things about the lungs and the heart. Is that okay to take a listen?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm just going to take a listen at your heart. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want you to breathe normally. Good. I'm going to go right down here to get a little bit more. Awesome. Well, the heart sounds good. Next thing we're going to do is just take a look at the lungs. So for these, I want you to take a deep breath in. If you're feeling any shortness of breath, I want you to let me know. So take a deep breath in. Out. Good. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Good. I want you to bring these legs down for me. Do the same thing.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Out. One more time. Awesome. So next thing I'm gonna have you do, can you just spin around so I can listen to the back side of the lungs? So I want your feet over that side. Just take a deep breath in. Out. In. And out. One more. Awesome, good work, Michelle. The heart sounds great. I would like to put you through a breathing technique called active cycle breathing. Are you currently in any pain or shortness of breath?
No.
Great. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to sit nice and tall with relaxed shoulders. And I want you to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth 3 times.
Okay.
And next one, you're going to have these hands around these ribs. And I want you to deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth.
Okay.
Good. Do you feel that rib cage kind of expand to the hands? Get a
Yeah.
nice deep breath. And third one, so you take a deep breath into the nose. And when you're coming out, I want you to huff like.
Okay.
Good. Good, one more and see if you can get a cough. Good. So what we're doing right there, we're kind of just moving the secretions if they're clogged in there to larger airways, kind of just get them out of the lungs and get them moving. So now we're just going to reassess the lungs again. So So great work on that breathing technique. Just going to reassess the lungs real quick. Take a deep breath in. Out. In. And then spit around for me with the feet on that side. Take a deep breath in. Remember to keep them shoulders relaxed. Good. Go one more for me. Good. How are you feeling?
Good.
So the reason why we went through the active cycle breathing is because I noticed some crackling. Oh, you can spin around if you want. So I noticed some crackling in your right lower lung. The active cycle breathing kind of just helps us get rid of some of that fluid, or it's called atelectus, which is just opening of the airways. Right there, it should just open it up a little bit more and kind of get that junkiness feeling out of your chest a little bit. It's a good breathing technique. Do you have any other questions for me?
Mm-mm.
Awesome. Well, great work.